In 1519, Hernan Cortes led 600 men to the shores of Mexico. The goal was simple: conquer the Aztec Empire, something that no one in history had ever done. But the first thing that Cortes did when they arrived wasn't to set up camp. He ordered his men to burn their ships. His soldiers panicked and they thought he'd lost his mind. But Cortes said something that would go down in history: if we go home in their ships. That moment and that decision turned 600 men into warriors. Because when you destroy your safety nets, the only option left is victory. And this, my brother, is where success truly begins. Not when you want to win, but when you prove to yourself that you're capable of doing what no one else would even dare to do. देखो, अगर हर सक्सेसफुल इंसान के पास एक चीज कॉमन होती है और वो चीज है proof. Not degrees, not certificates, but proof of the pain they've survived and endured. Proof that they've worked through hell and they didn't quit. Because the truth is that you can't fake success. You can only prove it with late nights, scars, failures, and discipline. So today I'll give you the 5 ingredients of the real recipe for success. If you truly master these, then I promise you that you will never be average again. पहला point जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे होंगे वो है proof over promise. I want you to imagine something right now, and that is 2 people who are preparing for a public speech. One of them has given 500 public speeches and the second one is giving a public speech for the first time in his life. Who do you think is going to be more successful as a public speaker? Is it going to be the one who has given 500 public speeches, or is it going to be the one who is giving a public speech for the first time in his life? Obviously the one who has given 500 public speeches, right? Why do you think that is? That is because that specific person has proof that he can go and give that public speech because he has done so 500 times before. This should highlight the importance of proof and why it is so important to acquire it if you want to do anything of substance in life. The question is that how does this exactly relate to your situation in specific? देखो, हमें इस चीज का तो हमेशा से पता है कि to get somewhere in life you have to go through a series of uncomfortable experiences to get there. As an example, if you want to start making money online, so you have to first go through a series of uncomfortable experiences where you first make your portfolio, you go ahead and start cold outreaching people, you go ahead and start closing sales calls, you get on those sales calls are annoying, they're difficult to get through, it's difficult to get the client closed, and all of these are basically uncomfortable experiences that you have to get through in order to get to that goal of starting to make money online. For you to actually go through all of these processes, you need something which I like to call micro proof. If you haven't actually done something like this before, you have to actually acquire small pieces of proof in order to go through all of these uncomfortable experiences one by one. What do I exactly mean by that? Well, I want you to imagine your day in specific. You wake up in the morning and as soon as you wake up, you start scrolling reels on your phone. After wasting 1 or 2 hours on your phone, you decide that now it is time to start working and you go ahead and take a shower. After taking a shower, आप अपने टेबल को बहुत अच्छे तरीके से सजा के उसके ऊपर बैठते हो कि मैं अब इसके ऊपर काम करना शुरू करता हूँ. 5 minutes pass by and your mind starts fighting a war against yourself. In that moment you decide कि यार नहीं, बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल हो गया यार, मेरे से तो नहीं किया जा रहा काम यार, this is too uncomfortable, this is too difficult for me, maybe I should just stop. And in that moment you decide कि let's just start scrolling reels again. On the contrary, now I want you to imagine your day if you started it on a high note. Let's say you woke up in the morning and as soon as you woke up, you started doing some push-ups. आप उठते साथ 30 push-ups करते when your body was feeling tired, it was feeling exhausted, but you still went through it because you knew that it was important for you to get this small win in the beginning of the day. After doing those push-ups, you grabbed a cup of coffee and you went straight into deep work. In that moment, it's going to be much easier for you to sit through those 4 hours or 5 hours of work because you're going to have proof कि यार सुबह उठते साथ in your subconscious mind, you'll know कि उठते साथ आपने push-ups की थी, even though it was feeling uncomfortable and even though your body felt stiff, and you're going to be able to sit through that whole session because of what? Because of proof. This is why proof is so important. This is why they say that making your first $10,000 online is the most difficult thing in the world, but once you've done it, uske baad it becomes easier and easier and easier. Why do you think that is? It is because our subconscious mind starts acquiring proof and starts proving it to ourselves that, look, you've made $10,000 before, you can actually scale this up to $20,000, $30,000, $50,000, all because of proof. So this is why it is so important for you to acquire proof. For you in specific, if you're someone right now who struggles with things like overthinking and procrastination and you're at this beginner level of self-improvement and personal development, so in that case, you need to start finding small wins, and that is the first step of your self-improvement journey. And इसी वजह से मैं बोलता हूँ कि going to the gym is so important, because when you start going to the gym, you basically start building this base level of discipline which is required for you to actually push through those reps when you're feeling pain in your biceps and in your triceps, but you still keep going because you know कि doing those extra reps are going to increase your muscle size and give you more gains in the gym. So you need to make sure that during your day you start finding things and actually looking forward to the things which are making you feel the most uncomfortable. And believe me when I tell you, there are going to be a lot of people online who are going to go and say that self-improvement and personal development doesn't work. But to be completely honest, if you want to actually excel in the business world, you have to set your personality and your brain in order first. You need to start building proof for yourself, and it is going to start with these micro level proofs. Because I want you to genuinely imagine something for a second, and that is कि imagine कि आप gym जाना start कर देते हो. You start pushing through reps when it starts feeling a lot painful. You start gaining a lot of confidence because you now fit into your clothes a lot better. Then you start investing into getting better and better clothes. When you start investing in better and better clothes, you start investing on maybe your fragrances. After that, maybe you start working on your communication skills. After that, with your new level of confidence, you say, maybe I should start a business. You start working on that business. You start watching all of the courses. You start investing into the communities, into the coachings. You get to a level where you're making somewhere around $500 to $1,000 a month. You start gaining more and more confidence because of all the proof that you've acquired. And eventually, you keep scaling and you keep improving yourself. And it all starts with that first micro win. So, इस वजह से I want you to make sure and I want you to make this a priority for yourself that if you're stuck in a well right now, if you're stuck in a place जहाँ पे आपको लग रहा है there is no way out, and maybe the people around you who are actually making moves in life are maybe more talented than you, I want you to focus only on one thing, and that is making sure that you get a micro win every single day and make sure you tackle uncomfortable situations with your chest out. Point number 2, momentum is key. I want you to imagine something for a second. Imagine कि दो लोग जो है वो एक रेस स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. They're both on their marks and suddenly the race starts. पहला वाला एथलीट जो है वो रेस स्टार्ट होते ही एकदम से ट्रिप कर जाता है और गिर जाता है और फिर उसे जल्दी जल्दी से रीस्टार्ट करनी पड़ती है अपनी रेस. जो दूसरा वाला एथलीट है, he has a very strong start. Who do you think out of both of these athletes are going to get a better outcome? Obviously the second athlete, right? The one who had a very strong start. Why do you think that is? It is because of momentum. And you need to make sure that you start getting a good level of momentum throughout your day. During my MBBS days, in my third year, I started my self-improvement and personal development journey. And in those days, in the beginning of those days, I read a book which was called The Miracle Morning by Hal Elrod. And in that book, I learned the importance of actually prioritizing your mornings. मैंने notice किया था कि पहले 1-2 सालों के अंदर मेरी academic performance was decent, but it could be improved quite a lot more. और मैंने उस book के अंदर uncover किया कि in order to get any kind of good outcome in life, whether it be a good grade, a good job, decent success in your business, you need to start prioritizing your mornings and start winning your mornings. तो what I started doing was कि क्योंकि MBBS के साल के एंड पे जो है वो preparatory leaves होती हैं जिसमें आप अपने profs के लिए prepare करते हैं. तो profs are basically like final exams. तो prep leaves के अंदर क्योंकि हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी नहीं होती थी और आपने घर पे बैठ के basically अपने एग्जाम्स के लिए तैयारी करनी होती थी, तो what I started doing was I started waking up really early, and as soon as I woke up, I started doing the most difficult task of the day, and that for me was getting done with 80% of the study material for the day. So as soon as I woke up, what I would do is I would go ahead and get some morning sunlight, I would get some push-ups in, and I would start studying as soon as possible. मैं बिल्कुल भी delay नहीं करता था और बिल्कुल भी दिन के start पे scrolling नहीं करने लग जाता था जिस तरह most people these days do. And what I started noticing was कि normally 30 days में जितना मैं syllabus cover करता था उतना मैंने syllabus 12 days में cover कर लिया था. Because of that, when I went into those professional examinations, so I got the marks जो मुझे first और second year में बिल्कुल भी नहीं आए थे. When I started working on copywriting for the first time back in my third year of MBBS, I did the same thing as well. Winning your mornings is probably one of the easiest and one of the most underrated things when it comes to actually taking charge of your life, and you need to start integrating it into your life as soon as possible. Because as with the example I gave earlier with the athletes, you need to start becoming the kind of athlete who gets a lot of momentum going at the start of the day, because if you win your mornings, you will, I promise you, win your day as well. Point number 3, direction over speed. Now let me preempt this by saying that one of the most important aspects of successful businessmen is speed in their action. But that speed is completely useless if you don't even know where you're going. ज़्यादातर लोगों के साथ आजकल के ज़माने के अंदर इस तरह हो रहा है कि they're not actually commanding their own lives, the algorithm is commanding their life. Because वो कभी भी अपने दिल की तमन्ना नहीं सुनेंगे, वो कभी भी अपने घर को देख के नहीं चलेंगे, वो हमेशा ये देखेंगे कि उन्हें सोशल मीडिया के ऊपर क्या नजर आ रहा है. उनका पैशन जो है वो क्रिएटिव वर्क के ऊपर होगा, लेकिन वो किसी की रील देख के Airbnb सब लीजिंग के ऊपर लग जाएंगे just because of the fact कि उस चीज के अंदर पैसा है. But what you have to understand is कि honestly money isn't everything. मैं अपनी वीडियोस के अंदर 2 चीजें दोबारा रिपीट करता हूँ एंड आई वांट टू रिपीट दिस इन दिस वीडियो अगेन। लकीर का फकीर कभी भी नहीं बनना और अपनी स्पेसिफिक फील्ड के अंदर हमेशा ए प्लेयर बनना है। लकीर का फकीर इस सिचुएशन में ये करेगा कि अपना काम छोड़ के इस बंदे की रील देख के एयरबीएनबी सब लीजिंग में लग जाएगा, ड्रॉप शिपिंग में लग जाएगा, जस्ट बिकॉज दिस गाय सेड सो, एंड वो अपने पैशन को कंप्लीटली साइड पे छोड़ देगा। बट मुझे ये बात बताओ कि अगर आप जो काम कर रहे हो उसके अंदर आपका जेन्युइनली दिल ही नहीं है, तो हाउ विल यू बिकम एन ए प्लेयर एट इट? बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू अस्पायर you guys into becoming lifeless, soulless people who just do what they do just because of the money. I want you to genuinely enjoy what you do. I want you to be so good at what you do that you absolutely destroy your competition. I want you to get out of bed in the morning and be actually excited about what you're going to do for the day. And that, my friend, isn't going to happen if you start chasing soulless business models just for the sake of making some extra money. You need to make sure that you combine your passion along with money. I personally run 3 full-time businesses and I honestly look forward to every day. I look forward to recording the ads for my e-commerce brand. I look forward to getting on sales calls for my consulting business. I look forward to actually creating these videos for you guys as well. I look forward to interacting with people in my community. वो मैं एक पॉडकास्ट देख रहा था जिसके अंदर 2 लोग आपस में बात कर रहे थे करण औजला के बारे में। इस डिस्कशन के दौरान जो है वो एक बंदा बोलता है कि यार करण औजला जो है ना वो लंबा चलेगा, और दूसरा बंदा बोलता है कि क्यों यार करण औजला क्यों लंबा चलेगा? एंड ही सेड बिकॉज करण दिल से लिखता है। तो यार मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि आप अपनी जिंदगी का कलम जो है वो एल्गोरिदम के हाथ में क्यों पकड़ा रहे हो और अपने दिल से क्यों नहीं लिख रहे? Honestly think about what I just said. Point number 4, isolation builds foundation. इस पॉइंट को डिलीवर करने के लिए I'll tell you 2 quotes from Alex Hormozi. पहला कोट ये है कि if you're between the ages of 18 to 30 and you're talking about work-life balance, then you're playing this game the completely wrong way. Second quote ये है कि I'd like to normalize 6-day, 12-hour work weeks. To run this point home a little bit, I want you to understand something and understand it very deeply. अगर आप initial stages of personal development के अंदर हैं एंड आप रोज के हिसाब से जस्ट टू रिलैक्स अ लिटिल बिट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे बैठ के गेम खेल रहे होते हैं, सुबह के टाइम में जस्ट टू गेट इनटू द वर्किंग मूड 20 मिनट 25 मिनट ऑफ मोटिवेशनल वीडियोस देख रहे होते हैं, तो व्हाट आर यू एग्जैक्टली डूइंग विद योर लाइफ? देखिए ये जो इनिशियल स्टेज है इसके अंदर आपको अपनी आइसोलेशन चाहिए, ये जो इनिशियल स्टेज है इसके अंदर आपको अनहेल्दी लेवल्स ऑफ वर्क आउटपुट चाहिए, ये जो इनिशियल स्टेज है इसके अंदर आपको अनहेल्दी विड्रॉल फ्रॉम डोपामाइन चाहिए। एंड आई ऑनेस्टली से दिस बिकॉज आई पर्सनली डिड इट माई सेल्फ। मेरे एमबीबीएस के दौरान एक ऐसा पॉइंट आया था वेयर आई रियलाइज्ड कि no one was coming to save me. I realized that as a man, your value is acquired and not inherent. And no one is going to come and give my value to me. I have to go ahead and acquire it myself. So for 6 months, मैंने अपना Instagram deactivate कर दिया था. For 6 months, all I did was gym, sleep, pray, and work out. For 6 months, literally मेरी social life non-existent हो गई थी. And during that time frame, I went from 96 kilograms all the way down to 74 kilograms. I made my first ever income online by starting a copywriting business with my friend, and I genuinely lit the initial spark for my whole business journey. All of that happened because of those initial 6 months of dire measures. Now, I'm not saying that this is going to be you for the rest of your life. Eventually, you're going to enter a stage where you're at a level of discipline which cannot be broken. At that point, yes, you can integrate an episode of your favorite TV show at the end of the day. Yes, you can integrate 30 minutes of maybe playing your favorite game at the end of the day. Yes, you can integrate sitting down with your friends for chai at the end of the day for an hour. But in these initial stages, please मेरे भाई ये बात मेरी मान लो कि you need these first 6 months of dire measures. And if not now, then when? Your parents genuinely deserve to see the best version of you. You genuinely deserve to see the best version of you. इसलिए please do yourself this act of service and go ghost for 6 months. Point number 5 is kill the old you. Now you have to understand कि in this world to actually get something you must lose something in return. वो कहते हैं ना कि कुछ पाने को कुछ खोना पड़ता है, तो आपके न्यू वर्जन को अक्वायर करने के लिए आपको अपना ओल्ड वर्जन शेड ऑफ करना पड़ेगा। एंड एक डायलेमा जिसके अंदर हम सब इंसान फंस जाते हैं वो ये है कि हम कहते हैं कि हमारे पास जब तक X, Y and Z चीजें नहीं आ जाती तब तक हम फुलफिल्ड नहीं महसूस कर सकते। But what if I told you कि to actually get these things which you need so much, you have to first feel the emotions that you were going to feel after acquiring them. You have to start becoming the person who already has the said outcome. You're going to have to become the person who already makes $10,000 a month. You're going to have to become the person who is the most confident and eloquent person in the room. You're going to have to become the best version of yourself before the world actually proves it to you. And इसके लिए आपको genuinely अपना self concept change करना पड़ेगा because you have to understand कि you cannot outwork your self worth. What exactly is your self worth? Your self worth is basically the ceiling of what you can achieve in this world. अगर आपकी self worth ही महाना 75,000 रुपए कमाने वाले ही किसी बंदे जितनी है तो फिर आप पूरी जिंदगी महाना 75,000 रुपए ही कमाते रहेंगे। अगर अगर आपकी सेल्फ वर्थ महाना $10,000 कमाने वाली है तो फिर आप $10,000 कमा सकते हैं। इन स्पेसिफिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स के बारे में बात करना इस वजह से इतना इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज यू कैन नेवर एवर आउटवर्क योर सेल्फ वर्थ। आप जितना भी फिजिकल एक्शन कर लें, जितने भी प्रोस्पेक्ट्स को कोल्ड डीएम कर लें, जितनी भी सेल्स कॉल्स के ऊपर चले जाएं, अगर आपकी सेल्फ वर्थ इन लाइन नहीं है तो यू विल एंड अप sabotaging your own success and losing it all. And the reason I wanted to talk about this topic in the end is because it is probably the most important. तो इसीलिए मैंने सेल्फ वर्थ के ऊपर जो है वो अपनी कम्युनिटी काफला के अंदर जो है वो एक बहुत डिटेल्ड वर्कशॉप होल्ड की थी। इस वर्कशॉप की एक्सेस सिर्फ और सिर्फ मेरे पेड मेंबर्स के पास थी, लेकिन आज मैं आपको ये वर्कशॉप फॉर फ्री दे रहा हूँ। All you have to do is click the first link in the description and you will get access to the whole workshop for completely free. So Jigar, the recipe for success isn't just fancy journals and motivational videos. It's proof, momentum, direction, isolation and rebirth. Every day that you collect proof, you build a case that you're destined for greatness. And every time you avoid discomfort, you basically weaken that case. So the question is simple. When life puts you on trial, will your evidence be enough to prove that you deserve success? Because for those of us climbing to the top of the food chain, there can be no mercy, my friend. There is but one rule: hunt or be hunted. Thanks for watching.